Hey guys, it's Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, and it's official now. The website works and everything. It's not quite finished, but it is up and live, and instead of going to detailjuice.com, now you're going to rapidriderehab.com. So, website's live, still updating it with pictures and videos. If you notice, I'm wearing a headband because I think it makes me look the super coolest ever. No, really, it's because I sweat profusely, and I don't know if you can see, it's probably backwards, 82% humidity, and it is 77 degrees right now. But the video is about super slick. Never ever stop the super slickery. So check this out. I got two Sea-Doos. These are the, I believe, GTX Limited 300s. These are newer ones with the digital screens. I got both of them super slicked. You can super slick any ski for sure. Sea-Doos require a little bit of extra effort to do the super slicking. But they turn out really nice. They really, I mean, super slick really makes the hull look amazing, especially if you've got a lot of deep gouges and that kind of thing. I did not do my epoxy skim coat on either of these. I did have an issue on this particular one. It's got a lot of nasty gouges. You can see them in there. But it had a real nasty spot by the ride plate back there that I had to dig out and fix. But anyway, these are all done. Two Sea-Doo GTX 300 Limiteds. Got in a little bit of a hurry today, putting this one back on the trailer, and I didn't line the bunks. Not a huge problem, because these aren't sitting right anyway. Whereas this one is completely on the bunk. I put the parchment paper on here so that, you know, if anything does stick, it's gonna come right off. But on this one I forgot. Also forgot to pull this tape yesterday. I'm glad I'm looking it over now. Not a huge deal either way, but definitely some tape that don't need to be there. I couldn't get access to the back. That's why, apparently, why I left both sides. But so yeah, anyway, straight lines, tight lines. That's how I do it. You gotta have good tape for that. So anyway, slicked up, baby. Get her done. So if you need your ski, whether it's a Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, or Sea-Doo, I got you. As they say, holler at your boy for the slicking. Okay, well, I did these two I did for a local mechanic shop, ski mechanic. And he's dropping me off two more when he picks these up. So get her done. All right, give me a call, 813-846-4406 if you want this super slick done to your ski or the bottom of your boat, John boat, regular boat, doesn't matter. I can apply it to anything you want. It's like bed liner for the bottom of the ski, but it doesn't create any drag. And the reality is you might get 1 to 2 miles an hour faster speeds after it's done. But I don't know. Hey, I just apply the stuff, right? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.